Lake Nakuru National Park in central Kenya is a haven for wildlife. Spanning 50,000 acres, the spectacular park is naturally abundant in food sources. A perfect place for this hungry leopard. The snarling big cat was captured after killing farm animals. Villagers worried they could be next. The rangers and park personnel immediately get to work, using a nearby tree and several ropes to open the cage door a safe distance away from the angry leopard.
We tied a rope into the gate of the trap, threw a rope through a branch tree, and we started pulling the rope. And the trap gate actually was open.
The gate's open, but there's a big problem. The leopard's not moving. Ranger Alexander Rono, that's him in the truck's cab, is growing impatient. He makes a critical mistake, one with tragic consequences. Alexander, who's been working with big cats at the park for 28 years, thinks he has a solution. He leans out the driver's side window and repeatedly jabs a long stick into the leopard's cage. The leopard clearly doesn't like what's going on, but Alexander doesn't stop. Suddenly, the 100-pound cat bolts out of her cage and makes a move that catches everyone off guard. Instead of taking off, she pounces toward the cab of the truck. In a heartbeat, the cat leaps up, trying to get at the ranger who's been poking her. She can't get a firm grip against the smooth surface of the truck door. The enraged leopard slides down while the terrified ranger frantically struggles to roll up the window. He's not fast enough. The angry leopard lunges at Alexander with her razor-sharp claws. She's half in, half out. The ranger is fighting for his life. In the wild, leopards take down their prey by going for the jugular. She's trying to do the same here. Using her 3-inch-long claws on her powerful paws, she grabs Alexander's head in an effort to bite down on his neck. The leopard repeatedly slashes his head and chest here and here. She also sinks her 2-inch-long teeth into his hands. Just when it looks like the vicious cat is about to win, Alexander gets both his feet up and literally kicks the killer cat away before she delivers a fatal bite. Still, the leopard inflicts serious damage before finally bolting off. Alexander is rushed to the hospital. It takes 21 stitches to close his bloody wounds. The grateful ranger learns a painful lesson about irritating a frightened leopard.
I was terrified, and it hurt me pretty badly. Look at my hand. It's cracked. It ripped apart, almost made me blind. I learned a very painful lesson I will never forget.
I thank God that is alive today.
In the end, the mission was accomplished. The female cat disappeared into the brush, into her new home far away from people.